Back at night. Yo! Living in pain. Are you ready to obey? Walking inside, everything is fast. Can't you see the door was not unlocked? He creeps in with his pocket knife, ready to kill. He doesn't give a fuck if he's 5 years old, 10 years old. They're all fucking 6'9". Burn it to the ground. And just fuck around. Obey the man. Don't take a stand. He's ready to be your bitch. Bitch. Obey. Obey the man. And now you feel sorry. He doesn't give a fuck. Touching your corpse with the blood he likes to bleed. On everything that isn't is. He's gonna fuck her away. Things you never did so. Die! Fucking up, so die! She will forget your name, your tongue. Alright! Fuck up, so die! He doesn't give a fuck. He's gonna touch her up and down. You're gonna be staring like a good little kid, staring like a little motherfucking toy that's been on the fucking corner for way too long. Bring that fucking knife. Fuck! So die! Hurt! Oh God! He doesn't have mercy for her. He doesn't have mercy for her. He doesn't have mercy for her. So die! Alright! 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 So tight.